Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with Violet from the Steampunk Extras set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. She was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with glistening gums for her pink dress. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I went for Wasteland Brown for all of her exposed skin. She has a purple accent on her dress, and this all gets base coated with Royal Cloak. The bulk of her corset gets done with burnt umber from AK Interactive. For her hair, I went for Cuirass leather, just to get that reddish tone to it. Highlighting up the accents on her dress, I used Amethyst Rayne. Just left that royal cloak in the recesses. Moving on to the longest part now, I grabbed Squid Pink and started highlighting the dress. This is going over the majority of the dress again, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses as there won't be a wash going on. As usual for my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. To finish in highlighting the dress and dotting her eyes, I used mummy robes. This highlight is just for the uppermost edges of the folds. Adding some depth to her skin, I went for Vallejo's leather brown. All the metal parts gets a once over with gun metal. Breaking up the silver and adding some detailing, I went for glorious gold. The only wash on the Mini is the lifetime wash over everything but the dress. Finishing the base off, I paint on some sandy desert texture paste. And that will be it for Violet. She was a nice and quick and easy mini to paint. And I may have found a good pink recipe, at least until I get some pastel colours to try out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.